Hi everyone, this is Yogita and welcome to the another video of HeSheaAndBaby. Well, we are on the way to the Sea Princess, a hotel next to Juhu Chowpatty. We booked this place for one night and it costed around 8,000 plus. And now I'm gonna give you the room tour of the same. The room should have sea view, so let's see. Let's see the room. It's a quite big room, very spacious, and I think from the first impression I'm definitely liking it. It is very beautiful decorated. I really love this study corner and this dressing chair, and let's see the room view in couple of seconds. Now let's see the view from the Sea Princess window, and yes, from the one corner I can see the beautiful sea and some water activities going on there. Now let's see the room again in the beautiful daylight. And yes, the room was having all the basic amenities, and we even ordered food, and I think we ordered palak paneer and it was delicious, I must say. And apart from that, even their breakfast was so amazing. Now let me take you to the sea. So yes, we are walking and you can see the sea there, and there is a way from the hotel only. From there you can actually go to this beach. This is the Juhu beach basically, and the hotel even has this outdoor seating and a pool area, and it's a very beautiful place. Ruby! Hi! It is the next day morning and we are here in the morning, and you can see little Dhruvika is having so much fun. Yes.
Mohi!
And if you are the one who love to see the beach waves, then yes, this place is definitely for you. We are sitting in the resort area only. Now you can see the glimpse of the breakfast corner and their restaurant. It is definitely very pretty. They have so many options to eat and I enjoyed most of them. In the last, I would say this is a beautiful place to stay in case if you love to near the beach. Definitely very beautiful place. They have so many amenities. Their outdoor sitting area is super cool. Dhruvika enjoyed even the pool. And if we see the location, this is definitely a very beautiful place to stay. If we are coming back to Mumbai, we can definitely stay there again. And yes, we love the
this
vibe,
video
food,
helps
music,
you to take a better decision.
and our
Thank you
private
so much
photographer
once again for watching this
Gupta.
video.
And before you go, make sure you subscribe the YouTube channel. Thank you so much once again. Bye bye.